Here's a picture of a red oak that was 36 inches in diameter when I started. Weighed, according to the calculators, in excess of 5,000 pounds when I started. The slabs that I have here are 25 inches across and near clear, near perfect as far as knots are concerned. This is probably going to be the largest log that I put on the mill, because it was a bear to try to saw. It's got to be out of the capacity of the mill. 56-inch blade just now is starting to get to where I can't cut all the way through. So I'm going to flip it and start cutting the last bark side and hopefully get some really nice furniture grade lumber out of this.